steel bottle. We're going to be adding an image onto this plain bottle, so we'll have some design on it. Here's a sample of a previous project that I worked on using HTV on a stainless steel bottle, and I actually was able to do layers. If you can see by the black, I use white and a little bit of a purple color. So you can layer onto these stainless steel bottles. On today's bottle, we're going to be using a simple design that I picked up from Cricut's Design Space. I've cut out my design, and I'm going to go ahead and weed it out for you. Weed these. And today I'm using iCraft Vinyls Matte Hot Pink. I thought that it would do a great contrast because this bottle already has a design, weeds very nicely. All I'm doing is pulling it off, and I'm just going to be a little more careful with some of these letters so that everything doesn't pull up, but it's real easy to work with. I have my design weeded, so now we're going to put the placement onto our bottle. So I'm placing it right around here, and we're just going to hold down on it. Now for this project, you can use various items. They have mini irons that you can use, but today I'm going to just use a house iron. All right, so we're going to start ironing it on using tissue paper, because even though we have this clear protective layer, it makes it a lot easier and smoother when using the iron. Make sure you have your iron on 5 with no steam. And we're just going to go ahead and add some pressure. This might take a little longer than when you're doing a shirt or cloth material. But in my other projects that I've done using HTV, it still lasts a long time on the bottle. I have put it in the dishwasher and it still lasted. And maybe someday I'll do a comparison between using HTV versus outdoor vinyl. Almost got my finger there. Careful with your fingers. Look at this. And like I mentioned, you can use the mini irons. And if you have the smaller bottles, that might help you get in a little better. But for this is working out just fine. So you're going to press for a while. And then you just kind of check it periodically. You'll see that it's starting to stick in the middle. So you're just going to keep on, and you want to apply a lot of pressure and just kind of keep a steady stroke on it, just so that you're getting the whole design. We're just about done ironing this because I can see that all the edges are sticking on. And once we're done, we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool off before we peel it off. This project, being the bigger bottle and with the pressure I'm using, took about, I'd say about 5 to 7 minutes of ironing the image on. It can vary on the type of vinyl that you're using. I've found that glitter vinyls tend to adhere a lot quicker. So it all depends on the material you're using, but it takes about that long. So now we're just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes before we peel it off. All right, feels cool to the touch, so we're just gonna go ahead and start peeling slowly. Let's see how that's coming out. And there you go. Here you have your own personalized water bottle. Hope you like this project, and if you liked our video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Thank you.